Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can edit your videos as a beginner on Canva. So I just added this video from libraries here, and I'm just going to change the aspect ratio to fit the video. So usually landscape videos are 16:9, and obviously there is a bunch of things you can do with this. You can add keyframes. So for instance, you add one at the beginning, and then like in the middle you kind of either zoom it and like move it someplace else, like focus it on somewhere else. And then here you can also show keyframe animation, and you can even add graphs to it. So there's these ones to zoom in, ease out, quad out, and cubic out, and even rebound out. Then I'll just hide it. There's also a bunch that you can see when you right click, like split scenes, add transcript, generate captions, isolate voice, extract audio, remove background, adjust color, enhance motion, etc. Here you can also adjust the speed of it. You can add a speed curve to your videos. This is what some of it will look like. You can even customize it. There's also a velocity effects tab now. There's flash, blur, shake. This one is free, the rest isn't. You can also add an in animation and out animation. You can add like a combo of animations as well, like that, or like this maybe. Sticky note. What's this one? Paradise. Sorry, it's just parting leaves. I don't know why I said paradise. There's an out animation as well. And there's also like a combination of effects. Oh my gosh, that made me dizzy. You can also adjust the video, add in LUTs, adjust the temperature of the video. Just going to adjust it so it looks kind of vintage here. Okay, and you can also add in these AI effects and like transitions. For transitions, you do need more than like one clip though, so I just split it, and like you can add the transition that you would like for it. So yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.